Are you a designer? Could it be digital painting, illustrations, maybe even UI UX design? Are you doing any of these? Are you scared about the AI world? I'm hoping you've been seeing the news lately. Are you scared that AI will take over your job? On one side, you can say yes, that AI can take your job. But on the other hand, there is a lot to talk about. So let's unfold this one. Well, AI has developed a lot since the time it was first launched. There is Midjourney, there is DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and a lot more. And with Sora coming in, there is something to scare video editors as well, who will now would want to take any of those footages that can be developed directly by AI and can be used as footages in marketing, in promotions, in videography, right? So all of that is a problem. Well, of course, there is the other thing which also says that AI is lot cost effective. Well, if a designer was going to create a design like this, he would probably take at least 3 days, and the cost must be somewhere around let's say 5,000. But the thing is, this is another UI that AI can design in about 30 seconds. Of course, there is a lot more that this AI can do in that duration. But hey, let's look at the silver lining in all of this. While AI is able to generate good designs in short time, there are few issues with it. One, customizability. Now this is where a designer or an illustrator stands out. Getting AI to develop that exact idea that you have in your mind, it's very complicated. No matter how much prompt engineering you do, you will still see that lack of that quality of output that you're going for. Well, this is the good thing that a lot of designers like you and I can utilize AI. Thing is, let's not be scared of AI. The idea is to use AI in our pipelines, in our processes to make our work faster and probably even get closer to what the client wants. This way, you're probably leveraging the newest technology which is out there and not getting scared from it. Isn't that what the gurus say? Well, one thing that you need to be careful of is that there are legal implications. Of course, AI is already under the microscope or the lens of legality. A lot of people say that AI uses artwork which has been generated by a lot of human artists and uses to build on that. But what you need to do is when you're taking all of this art, you need to be slightly careful, right? So think about that. You have to be sure that you're not copywriting somebody else's work or plagiarizing somebody else's work and building something of your own. You can take in inputs, but those have to be very familiar in terms of how you're probably putting in and what your idea is over there. And that is where the illustrator will help or a designer will help. That's something that not everybody will be able to do who knows how to use AI. And lastly, if you have spoken to clients, you know how nitpicky clients are. Well, AI will not be able to cater to those guys. And if you, as a designer, as an illustrator, or as a video editor, is able to take feedback well and be able to work with clients more closely and get them what they want, you are in a stronger position than any of these. So here's my 2 cents on AI. As a designer, I think AI boosts my creativity. Now I don't have to spend time on searching through a lot of different illustrations on Pinterest or on Instagram. I can just go directly into one of these softwares, type in what I need and get something closer to it. If that does not work, maybe tweak certain other things because I'll be able to get direct visuals. Of course, the payment is a problem because I don't want to spend that much, and that is why I use a plethora of design tools. So you need to understand that this relationship between AI and a creator has to be symbiotic and not independent of each other. Don't be scared of AI, dude. You can use AI to your benefit. Well, talking about prompt engineering, we have a course on Programming Hub about that. Why don't you check that out and see if you are able to improve those keywords that you have to put in so that your designs can be slightly better. I hope you resonate with me to some extent. If you do, make sure that you hit that like button. I'll be putting more content about how to work with clients, so subscribe to this channel for more and share this with probably all the creators that you have in mind. I will see you in another video.